So my name is Brandy Burgess. I am the administrator at the Assisted Living of Plymouth Harbor.
Joseph J. DeVore, Senior Vice President, Plymouth Harbor, Inc. Well, who is this Teepa Snow person? And I got to attend a program that she did, and I was just in awe. I do remember seeing her in Naples and thinking, you know, that's the type of education that would go over well with a lot of different people. And so as we were considering our own memory care here on this campus, and you know, we very much paid attention to the form of the building, the memory care and how it would function and so forth, and but we knew at the end of the day the building would be worthless unless the staff really knew what they were doing with folks with dementia. And so we did some research on different programs and so forth, and at the end of the day, hands down, it was Positive Approach to Care in Teepa Snow. So, and it's come out exactly the way we hope it would be.
When I have nurses who've been doing this for 30 years start off a training in the morning going, oh my God, another dementia training. And at the end they're saying, I actually learned something today. I've never heard that before. No one ever told me about vision change.
Yes.
Nobody ever told me about why they're cursing at me with language changes. I've never heard that before. And it is so exciting to see their sparkle again. I mean, nobody works in this business without passion.
Yeah. Well,
but we gotta remind them of that.
As a matter of fact, I just went through my 4-hour training program, and the folks that were in the room, and to be able to hear them talk about the training, and then talk about individual residents, how this applies to this person, how this applies to this person. They're drawing a direct path between that training and the folks that they know they can help have a better day. The payoff is not only the retention of the staff, but that the relationships that are built with the family members of the residents with dementia.
Right, there's a business aspect to this.
Of course.
I mean, quality care keeps residents. Mm-hmm. And if we can avoid fake racks, if we can avoid adverse incidents,
of course,
if we can avoid all these unnecessary transfers, I mean, that's good for the bottom line. It's good for your reputation. It comes from the top. I think floor employees, the daily care staff, housekeepers, dining services, CNAs, they want this knowledge. They are having difficult days every day interacting with diamonds and with emeralds, and they don't know what to do, and dealing with the families of pearls, and they don't know how to offer comfort. They really need and want this. They're not the hard ones. The hard ones are getting mid-management to find the time for staff to get off the floor, and for senior management to make this a priority.